Dietary supplements such as vitamins, minerals, herbs, and botanicals are a multi-billion-dollar industry in the United States and even bigger globally. Yet the industry is under assault, most recently from New York's Attorney General. What is the current state of the nutritional supplement industry? That's today on Liability Watch. Welcome to Liability Watch. I'm Shelby Neal. In February, New York Attorney General Eric Schneiderman made headlines by sending cease and desist letters to 4 major retailers. The letters claimed that testing of dietary supplements purchased from their stores determined that the products either didn't contain the botanical ingredients listed on the label or largely contained non-listed ingredients such as rice or common houseplants. Schneiderman's actions raised new questions about the nutritional supplement industry. To learn more about the state of the industry, we turn today to Annie Trimberger, a product liability attorney at Dorsey & Whitney, LLP. Annie?
Thanks, Shelby. The cease and desist letters that New York Attorney General Eric Schneiderman sent to GNC, Walgreens, and Target and Walmart represent a new type of challenge to the nutritional supplement industry. Rather than taking the expensive and legally risky approach of trying to disprove the value of ginkgo biloba or St. John's wort, Schneiderman instead challenged the product's labeling, asserting that testing revealed that the nutritional supplements didn't contain much or even any of the botanicals that they claimed, and instead contained primarily filler and plant matter ranging from grass to rice to houseplant. Schneiderman's approach had the desired effect. The 4 retailers removed the supplements from their shelves. Other attorney generals are likely to follow suit. In the meantime, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration seems to have taken Schneiderman's lead. On April 22nd, the FDA sent warning letters to 5 nutritional supplement companies asserting that their product labels listed the controversial stimulant R-beta methylphenolthilamine, or BMPEA, as a dietary supplement. The nutritional supplement companies had claimed that BMPEA, which is a stimulant linked by some to liver failure, was an extract of Acacia rigodula leaves. The FDA, in turn, claimed that there is no evidence that BMPEA, which is typically produced synthetically, was a constituent chemical of Acacia rigodula. This regulatory scrutiny is new territory for the $50 billion U.S. nutritional supplement industry, which to date has been lightly regulated. The nutritional supplement industry has not taken all of this sitting down. The industry has argued that Schneiderman's office did not follow the well-established testing protocol of the United States Pharmacopeal Convention, also known as USP, but instead used a newer, less expensive test called DNA barcoding. The problem with DNA barcoding, according to the industry, is that most nutritional supplements do not contain whole plant products. Rather, they contain plant extracts that are prepared using some type of solvent. These solvents, along with the extracting process itself, can destroy DNA. This means that a DNA barcode test of processed extract of ginkgo biloba, for example, may not identify any ginkgo biloba because its DNA has been damaged during the manufacturing and extraction process. Interestingly, while GNC initially carried the torch for the industry in deriding the use of DNA barcoding, it announced an agreement with Schneiderman's office on March 27th, in which it agreed to, quote, implement source material traceability standards that utilize DNA barcoding to confirm the authenticity of the active herbal botanical ingredients prior to extraction, unquote. This concession allowed GNC products to go back on the shelves in New York State. Although some in the supplement industry expressed disappointment that GNC agreed to use DNA barcoding, it is important that the barcoding will occur prior to extraction. Whether the GNC agreement becomes a template for others in the industry is unclear, but there are some important takeaway points from Schneiderman's assault and GNC's response. First, it is critical to know what is in the products you are selling. This means having defensible source material traceability with frequent sampling and testing throughout the supply chain. Second, manufacturers and distributors should ensure that their products contain the ingredients listed on the label by having the products independently tested and reviewed using USP protocols where feasible. Companies can use USP results to verify DNA barcoding results or the opposite. Should the company need to respond to a governmental inquiry or lawsuit, USP test results can establish that the products contain what they're supposed to contain, notwithstanding the DNA barcode results. Third, all products must be manufactured at every step of the supply chain using current good manufacturing processes. Fourth, it's important to ensure that all current good manufacturing process documentation testing data, and supply chain information is in order and readily available. This will be invaluable in responding to a governmental demand, a lawsuit, or a public relations crisis. Advanced preparation will help immeasurably in responding to media and Attorney General inquiries, as well as in defending or precluding lawsuits. Finally, be prepared for public scrutiny. With nutritional supplements under ever greater attack, it's important to have a well-defined and scientifically defensible communication strategy in place.
Thanks, Annie. To request a copy of Dorsey & Whitney's no-cost nutritional supplement overview, follow the link on the screen. If you'd like more information on nutritional and dietary supplements, contact Annie or visit dorsey.com. I'm Shelby Neal for Liability Watch. Thanks for watching.